The Great Pyramids of Giza.
Whose idea was to create the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world?
The idea of creating the pyramids was by Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. They're known as the most identical architecture in Egypt. Creating the tall structures wasn't easy. They used a buddy system that a team would carry all the stones all together to the position. They couldn't do trial and error because they only had one chance to do it.
The Great Pyramids of Giza were from the 4th dynasty of Egypt, created with limestone and granite, and dates back to 2575 to 2450 BC. Building of the pyramids, they moved stone of 2.5 tons by sheer muscle power. They also did a log system when they put logs underneath the stone and poured water. So when they went to drag them, they were pulled along. And the stones were also believed to be carved with copper chisels. They also believe that there was 200,000 men over 20 years to build this, and it was built on the west bank of the Nile River. This was also built for burial purposes.
Pyramid of Khufu. Pharaoh Khufu began his whole process with the pyramids, creating the first pyramids. His was the largest and the oldest.
His pyramid is estimated to have 2.3 million stone blocks, which weigh an average of 2 ton to 15 tons and towers 481 feet.
Pyramid of Khafre.
Pharaoh Khafre is the son of Khufu. Khafre also built the Sphinx. The Sphinx guards the pyramids, and it's also the largest modeled statue in the world.
Pyramid of Menkaure. The third pyramid was built by the pharaoh Menkaure, and it was the smallest of the three. Invaders tried to break into it, making the huge gash in the side.
Fun facts about the pyramids is that a true pyramid with a square base and 4 slopes, the angle sides may have represented rays of the sun telling of a deceased king's climbing up the rays to join the sun god Ra. Also, tombs have art in it, not to show how they died, but showed how they lived. The tombs show farmers tending livestock in fields. They also show religious rituals and burial practices.